The Tulip Library is a comprehensive collection of downloadable content and educational resources. In this video, we'll walk through how you can use the library to make the app building process easier and faster for your team. Let's start with an overview of content that already exists in the library. We can divide library content into two main classes. There's application content, and then there's educational content. These categories aren't hard and fast, but they're useful for understanding how different content types relate to your challenges. Application content is content to help you take your Tulip solutions further, faster. This content is downloadable directly from the library into your instance. Content in this category includes app rudiments like templates and custom widgets, unit tests, and connectors, to full-fledged solutions like functional examples, applications, and app suites. Educational content includes all of the content you need to put Tulip into action. Quick tips and tutorials get you up to speed quickly. Overviews and examples show you how to use Tulip features and how those features solve complex operational problems. And interactive Tulip University courses walk you through the app building process step by step. So now that we know what's in the library, let's talk about how to find it. Navigating the library is simple. The homepage breaks content down by type. If you're visiting for the first time, go ahead and scroll through and explore. If you know what you're looking for, your best bet is to use the filters at the top to see all of the content by that type. Our preferred method for navigating the library is to select See All and then use the search bar and filter menu on the next page. That way, you can enter key search terms and then filter by content type, use case, or any other product attribute. Let's close with a walkthrough of how we'd solve a hypothetical challenge with the library. Let's say you're looking to integrate real-time alerting into your applications. Navigate to the Tulip library, click See All, and type Alerts into the search bar. If you're looking for app content, use the app filter to see what's available. Now, let's say your imagination gets going and you want to learn more about how to create andon alerts with Tulip. Here, you can see the full power of the library. From here, you could download the functional example to learn the use case's best practices and to copy-paste functionality into your own applications. You could download connectors, integration, and unit tests for select stack lights, or you could watch a tutorial to see how we build andon functionality into our Experience Center, and then download one of several andon applications to study. If you're looking to try something out with Tulip, the library can show you how, get you started, and help you take your ideas further. So now that you know how to use the library, there's only one question left. What will you build?